Give the gift of character this season. For less than a price of a meal, with Sweet Sadie Mae, what would you do? Character story kits like this one. Here's a short preview story.
My favorite superhero, The Battle for Mr. Galaxy by Lee Holmes. Bobby and Ben, come downstairs. Your Halloween costumes are here, said Bobby and Ben's mother. Bobby and Ben stopped playing Space Galaxy, their favorite board game, slowly turned and looked directly at each other, yelling, Yes, costumes are here, in unison. It was the day before Halloween, and the boys were excited to see what they would be wearing for tomorrow's trick-or-treating. Let's go, Ben, said his brother Bobby. They rushed downstairs and ran into the living room. Are you boys ready to see your costumes? Their mother asked. Yes, they replied. Their mother pulled the first costume out. Immediately, Ben and Bobby recognized the costume. It was their favorite character from Space Galaxy.
On sale today at sweetsadiemay.com/kits. Pick one up and give the gift of character this season.